Now let's talk about a little bit of the section related to the objective. The first one of them is the main objective, which is focused on the identification of that influence of classroom practicum during preserved teachers' practices in the process of teachers' identity construction. In addition, there are three specific objectives. The first one is focus on the examination of how practices environment intervene in the construction of identity. The second one has the purpose to identify the aspect that influence the change of professional perspective of those trained teachers. And the last specific objective is related to assess the effects that cultural, social, and economic environments have on preserved teachers' practice.